I bet a lot of you lost money today because you traded. It's okay not to. What's up, everybody? This is Jimmy with Trading Decoded, and we are going to talk about SPY. Surprise. I am not going to be making a How I Traded SPY Today video for a couple of reasons. Number one, I'm going to be spending the night in a hotel tonight, tomorrow night, Saturday night. And number two, I didn't take any trades today either, just like I did yesterday, which leads to the topic of this particular video. You guys do realize that you don't have to trade every day, right? If you missed the morning's run-up on SPY today, I would say that nothing else was worth trading. And if you did happen to get into trade that you made out on, I would venture to say that you got lucky. Outside of the end of the day spike, which you could have never anticipated, we traded sideways pretty much the whole day, which would have destroyed you with theta. So all I'm saying is sometimes recognize that a chart is just not worth playing, because when you start toying around with the idea of having to trade every day, you're exposing yourself more to the possibility of losing. Remember, time in the market is risk. Okay? So when you look at it that way, and you see a chart that is you don't feel confident about, that you aren't seeing clean plays to take, walk away. It's better to keep the money you already had than it is to gamble it and lose some of it. And it's actually even worse to gamble it and win some, because that gives you the confidence to do it again the next time you see a chart that's sketchy. Okay, were there some entry points that I would have taken on the run up? Yeah. I was very busy at work today. I didn't have time to trade. I was in the voice chat for a good portion of the morning, calling out the things that I saw, the best that I saw them. But for the most part, I was really busy because I was going to be gone tomorrow from work. So I had to clear my desk so that I didn't have anything sitting there. But this is a short video, but that's all I wanted to say. You guys need to recognize when the day is not worth trading, simply because if you force it, you're going to be risking losing. The odds are not in your favor, okay? If you're guessing at why you're getting in, there's no clear reason to get into a trade, realize that you're gambling. We're trying to avoid doing that. I need people to go in the right direction. Okay, that comes within the discipline that's required to be well at trading is a lot. You need to manage yourself properly. You need to have the discipline to say, I'm not going to trade today, just like I did today and yesterday. And ironically, if you look at our poll numbers yesterday and today, our winners are higher. They always are. But the percentage wins over the losses are much smaller than normal. Normally we 3-4x the number of losing trades on the day with winners. But today it's less than 3x. I think we barely doubled, actually. I haven't looked again recently because I'm driving home. But you know, it's important to recognize when it's not a good day to trade. That's pretty much it. I will go ahead and make a video out of this instead of how I traded SPY today. Good job to those of you who caught the morning run. For those of you who lost because you couldn't stop trading, I'm sorry in advance. Other than that, you all have a great day. I'll keep in touch with you sometime tomorrow, somehow. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. See ya.